Chaturvedi. Welcome to this special video today. And let me introduce my friends who have joined to make this video special for all of you to understand a beautiful remedy which will be just unfolded in due course. So please introduce yourselves.
Hi, myself Dr. Komal Mechari. I am an BHMS intern.
Half
Not a
doctor.
I'm Dr. Shweta Bihani and I'm practicing in Malad East.
Okay, I'm Dr. Sonam Vishwakarma, practicing in Malad West. Recently opened my
Opened her
clinic.
clinic. She's a new doctor, she's a half doctor, she's a full doctor, and I am also full doctor. So let's begin to unfold the remedy China. And after this video, you all will be able to grasp China very easily. Not that China is too huge to grasp. Let us grasp the China remedy due to which homeopathy has come into existence for all of us to practice and give miraculous results. So we will be taking you to this journey of China in a different way this time with some stories, and then later videos will follow as we do in every remedy we have been doing with the journey of first stage, second stage, third stage, and so on. So who will narrate the first story?
I'll start.
I'll try.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So actually this is a story of a 29-year-old lady, a girl, who is working in a small firm. So the firm she used to enjoy her work, but the new boss came over, and the boss was very dominating and very partial. So she used to feel a lot, but then she never used to express herself. So what happened is there were two groups. The boss had divided them into two groups. One was a good group, and the girl where she was in another group. तो छोटे छोटे ऐसे रेगुलर ऐसे ही कुछ भी काम दे देते थे, चलो टिफिन गरम करके लाओ, जाओ जेरोक्स करके लेके आओ. So this lady used to feel कि I am so much, I'm not like this, I'm not a worker here, so why they are giving me such jobs. Anyway, she didn't say anything, she used to bear it. Then what happened was, once they were caught in a fraud, actually which they didn't do it. It was from another group
The
which
boss
had
was caught in a fraud.
no. Actually, this
lady?
group, this group,
The ladies
Uh-huh.
group.
the ladies group, the group
Yeah.
where she used to belong, and then and she was blamed. मतलब her group was blamed for it. So she said कि no, I cannot work here anymore, and she left the job. But then she left the job without any benefits, without getting any reimbursement or anything. And then she was very angry, but she was not able to express it out. So she left, and she stayed at home. She could have done another job, but she said, no, I won't work like this, because she used to get angry. She used to remember those incidences and get angry again and again. So small incidents कि जहाँ पे वो मॉम उसकी छोटी सी बहस हुई है मॉम के साथ में. मॉम ने बोला कि बेटा ये कर दे. उसे इतना इस बात का गुस्सा आया कि उसे मन कर रहा है कि मैं अपनी मॉम चाकू घुसा दूं.
My God,
हाँ.
danger.
Yes, and one more incident she said कि घर में इंटीरियर्स चल रहा था. देन कारपेंटर को उसने बोला कि प्रॉपरली ये 4 जगह ऐसे नील्स लगाओ.
अरे ये केस तो कहीं सुना है मैंने.
हाँ.
किसकी स्टोरी है ये? कोई मूवी
Yes.
देखी हुई है? ऐसी मूवी देखी है हमने.
डॉक्टर सोहेल का है ना ये केस?
नहीं. That's ये सर का केवाई सर का केस है.
हाँ.
थाने सेशन में किया
Okay.
था सर ने केस. सो ठीक है, 4 नील्स लगा दो. तो इसने 3-4 बार बोला, उसकी समझ नहीं आया कारपेंटर को. तो इसने क्या किया, वहीं पे हथौड़ा पड़ा था. वो हथौड़ा देख रही है, वो कारपेंटर को देख रही है, हथौड़ा देख रही है, कारपेंटर को देख रही है. अब वो कारपेंटर ऐसा घबराया कि ये पता नहीं क्या करने वाली है, और वो वहाँ से भाग गया. तो दैट वे शी सेड कि ना मेरा बीपी, इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन, मेरा बीपी कम नहीं हो रहा है, 200-110 रह रहा है, मुझे इतना हेडेक हो रहा है, तो आई कैन नॉट बेयर इट. और मुझे आगे पढ़ने के लिए अब्रॉड जाना है, पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ पढ़ाई में, मेरे से कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है. तो फिर फाइनली सर ने दिया चाइना, and China ने किया miracle. And
Wow.
then, so rubrics taken were delusion wrong suffered, delusion hindered she is, delusion persecuted, delusion pursued.
Hmm.
Then
The
another
key
uh,
catch of China.
yes, and anger as if stabbed someone, and anger vexation, and
Inclined to vex
inclined to
others.
vex others. Yes, yes. So yes, this was one of the case.
Okay, I'll narrate second story, like second story of China. This was also told by Dr. Sunil sir. So this is a case of a 14-year girl. She was having a complaints of menorrhagia since Pinaki. Okay, so her mother said कि बेटी को इतना bleeding होता है कि she has to change her pad so frequently and इतना excessive bleeding कि उसको weakness रहता है even before menses also and during menses. So due to which she is not able to attend her school. So अपने schools भी miss out करती है. So इतना उसको bleeding and weakness होता है. And she also mentioned that कि जब भी उसको first time Minaki आया था, that was in the month of August, तभी उसके exams were going on, but she couldn't give her 3 papers due to heavy bleeding. So this was the kind of bleeding she used to suffer. But that time she was in 9th standard, so anyhow she cleared her 9th standard because वहाँ पे average calculate करके whole year का they give the marks and everything. But now she is worried कि अभी 10th is approaching and again if something same happens then again she will be missing out her papers.
Right.
And
This
this
is
time
a very practical and a big problem of young
yes.
girls.
so this time तो there will be no ninth में तो ठीक है calculate करके दे दिया whole year का, but this time she can't afford all this thing. So her mother said कि वो studies में भी अच्छी है, never scored less than 80% in her school. And so this was, and she was a very mild girl, like actually वो अपने स्कूल में ना अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स को पूछा भी नहीं कि आप लोग को भी ये कंप्लेंट्स होते हैं क्या. वन फाइन डे व्हेन शी वाज हैविंग वेरी हैवी ब्लीडिंग एंड शी हैज टू लीव हर स्कूल, शी आस्क्ड हर बेंचमेट कि लाइक डू यू आल्सो सफर फ्रॉम द सेम थिंग. तो हर बेंचमेट सेड कि नो. So that time she felt कि oh I'm the unfortunate one. So like this is a short case of जहाँ पे naiveness China का express किया गया था. She was a very naive girl, and rubrics related delusion hindered at work, and then anxiety injury after because पहले भी उसको हो चुका है ना. Again she is worried कि अगर वो same thing वापस होएगा तो. So this was a main
Fear of being injured.
हाँ,
Fear of
fear of being injured. And there is
So
one
हमने नया rubric बनाया.
that is weakness after loss of vital fluid.
Yes,
This is also
very
there.
important.
Yes, yes.
So this was important in this case.
Yes, very nice case.
So
Komal.
it's a story by Dr. Ravikant sir. A case of sinusitis, severe sinusitis. So it's a case of very charming, handsome Punjabi munda, about 20-year-old. So he was suffering from very severe maxillary sinus ka pain, and it was so severe that even the painkillers are not working. He took number of allopathy and homeopathy treatments, but there was no relief. So the family status were he lives in a joint family where a single child of a parent and youngest of all the cousins. So his mother was a teacher, father was a truck driver, where he kept insisting him to left his studies and join with him with his work. But he didn't want to do that because he was so serious, so concentrated, career oriented child. He wanted to do something with his career. But his cousins were like all into fun and masti, so he couldn't able to concentrate properly. So this gets him very irritated. This gets him very much angry, and also he doesn't share a good space with his grandfather also, because the grandfather used to harass his parents, and it was so severe that the boy used to say कि इतना गुस्सा आता था कि जान लेने की जी चाहता था उसको. So on asking by doctor, so he said कि I have sinus का problem, कुछ भी करने का इच्छा नहीं होता, एनर्जी लेवल्स भी लो है, तो अगर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करता हूँ तो इतना पेन रहता है, तो पेन किलर ले लो तो, बट देयर वाज नो रिलीफ. abhi after some time period I will be going to board exams are coming, then there will be practical examination, written examination, so he feels like I couldn't able to attain that, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, I couldn't able to do it because all such things. So he was actually the problem, the main concern of the patient was कि मेरी पढ़ाई अटक गई है, ये सब चीज़ों के कारण मैं अपना कंसंट्रेशन completely नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ. So the rubrics mainly taken by Dr. Ravikant sir was delusion, tormented, hindered by everyone, then there was laziness and anxiety future about, and desires, cheerful desires to be. So
So
after
common facet if we see them, they are all young people.
Yes,
yes.
Okay. So why young people are falling more into the zone of China? Because they want to reach somewhere and they are hindered. Okay. You want to narrate another story?
Yeah, I have another story. Like this is my own case about a young boy. He is in 11th standard, and then he's again suffering from allergic rhinitis. And very studious, very obedient boy. And then what happened was her mother was working. She was a teacher, and her father was also working. And he used to take care of at home. He used to take care of his little sister, all by himself. Still, he used to study, he used to score very well. So now what happened was, since last 6 months, he was suffering from allergic rhinitis and severe. So I asked her कि what is the complaint? So he said कि और कुछ नहीं, बस मेरी पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही है, पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाऊँगा तो मैं आगे कैसे, 12th is coming up, मैं आगे कैसे बढ़ूँगा, आगे क्या करूँगा मैं. So then he was like, he wanted to become, like, you know, he took science, so आगे और engineering करना है, तो ये सब नहीं हो पा रहा है मुझसे. So it's a very short case. And China, I had recently heard in Sunil sir ka, and I said कि लग रहा तो चाइना जैसा ही है, hindered feeling आ रहा है और उसे ऐसा लग रहा है कि anxiety future about हो रहा है उसे. And मतलब he is a very calm, quiet person. And so on that basis, just on 2-3 rubrics I gave him China, I mean to work miraculously. Next time, within a week, he said कि मुझे 70 to 80% relief.
Wow.
And
Nice.
yes, within 1.5 months, he was. Thank you so much, आपको. I'm learning so much from you.
We are learning from each other.
Yes.
I'm learning to be so gorgeous from you. Nice. Good cases of China, and we'll continue this further also. And hope you all like this video. And do like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye bye. See you all again.
Bye.